Hey guys, Stan Dale, President Florida SunCoast. Hope you're doing well. Here we are, last Cars and Coffee in Naples, pulling everybody in on the event. A lot of good food here in the background. Our sim guys are here and doing their thing, and just a parking lot full of really cool cars. I think I like a lot of those out there. I think I recognize those guys. Talking about recognizing those guys, we have a lot of things coming up on the planning sheet, and let me introduce you. Anthony Forte. Anthony, what do we got coming up in the first quarter?
Hey everybody, we have some really exciting events coming up in the first quarter, starting with our Revs Institute tour in February, and we follow that up by a great driving event up in the Panhandle that Chris is organizing, and then a really great event, something really different. We're taking a ride out to West Palm to Dr. ColorChip to go through their process and understand what we can do to make sure we can take care of our vehicles when we get some minor chips out there. So great stuff going on. We look forward to it. And get up off the couch and get out there with us and start driving.
Yeah, I like that get off the couch thing. Yeah, I appreciate it. Hey, we have Rich Rausser with us. Rich, what are we doing on the track?
Hey, so we just completed our 6th track day this year out at Sebring International Raceway. We were out there last Thursday. We had about a dozen cars. We hit the track. We broke us up into 3 groups. I think we've done 6 track days this year.
Wow.
We don't have the schedule for 2026 yet. That'll be coming out probably in January or so. Hey, if you haven't done a track day, this is a nice, safe, easy, relatively inexpensive way to do it. By the way, if you really want an introduction to the track, every one of these events has pace laps. Not like those slow motion ones, okay? I can't say more, but put it this way. Come to a future track day, you get in the gate for free, you can see what's going on, and you can do the pace laps. I'm not going to mention speeds, but come on out, we'll have a good time.
Maybe that's an event track out to the track day. How's
it's
that?
An event within the event.
There
yeah,
you go.
awesome.
I think we'll do that. And hey, let me introduce you, PV Archer. PV is hosting. He's handling all the planning schedules for our annual luncheon. PV, what we got on the menu?
Well, you folks have all heard us say January 17th, East Bradenton Lakewood Ranch. It's going to be a big time, primarily social, but it is our winter luncheon. We're going to have steak, we're going to have sides, we're going to have a little music, and we'll just have a good time.
I think we got a car show. We got some trophies.
Oh
too,
yeah,
don't
we have trophies going too.
Yeah.
And remember, it's the first 100 people.
There you go.
That includes your spouse. So.
As soon as this hits the sign up, you got to get in there and be there, right?
Right. Be there because it's going to be a pleasant experience.
There you go. No more suit and ties, right?
No more
coat ties. Very good. Thanks, PV. Appreciate it. And that's what we do at Cars and Coffee. We stand around. We do a lot of planning for what's coming up. The end of the year, we got 3 more events coming up now. Next Thursday is our luncheon up. It's in Linder Lodge this time, up in Sarasota next Thursday. And then next Saturday is Cars and Coffee, Fort Myers. And then the Tom Klee Memorial Drive is on the 27th of December. If you haven't signed up for the Tom Klee Memorial Drive, you need to get in on that. We're going out to Snake Road. This is our 23rd or 24th year doing this, one of Tom's favorite drives. And we'll be with a bunch of the car clubs from the East Coast as well, and a bunch of the folks from the SunCoast BMW chapter and the SunCoast Z chapter. So come out and be with us. Until then, as we say, happy motoring, y'all. See you soon. Thanks. Bye.